world of model railways has to be one of the most well-known hobbies since its inception that delight both young children and the serious model rail enthusiast at every level and in every corner of the world. Throughout this program, we travel to meet a wide variety of hobbyists, the manufacturers, and railway exhibitions as we look behind the scenes of modelling in miniature and in larger scales. Be it in the garden shed, the back garden, or a passenger rail network running through forests and seaside resorts. Join us as we see how a model railway is constructed from start to finish, how accessories and features come to life with animatronics and effects. We highlight photography from modelling magazines that they have featured over many years, and much, much more.